What's up everybody, JJ Schenkels, the Goat Toasters here. First video in the new space, just recently moved, so new walls, and it's gonna be a little echoey until I actually fill this space with some sort of noise dampening stuff. But today we've got a special review for you. I've often said 2020 is the year of the video conference, and to help up your video conference game, a video light might be exactly what you're looking for. It helps balance out a scene. Even if your natural lighting is good. Like in this situation, I've got a lot of natural light. Currently have no artificial lights on me. But the versatility of this light is what really puts it above a bunch of other lights on the market right now. Simple thing, running through the specs, it's got 36 individual lights on there. 18 of them are warm, 18 of them are cold. So it is warmth adjustable, which is a great feature to match other lights or if you're going to be using it in different situations. Versatility again. It's got a nice internal battery and charges by USB-C. Great features, 2020, every light should come with USB-C. Death to micro USB cables. It's small, it's lightweight. They say 120 minutes at 100% brightness, but you could charge it while you're using it to make it last even longer. And in the box is pretty simple. It's just this. It comes with a diffuser that can pop onto the front and a simple USB-C cable. The big part of this one is the suction cup on the bottom. So you got a simple piece of plastic protecting it, and this is kind of sticky, but it also has this suction cup feature on there. So theoretically, you can attach it to the back of your monitor, onto your desk, onto a wall even. Wherever you want light, you could just stick this, and then it would attach. Very adjustable, all these little angles in here. You can make it go up and down, and then it's got a ball head on the end. It is a plastic, it's all plastic, all these joints, so they're not gonna be super durable to last if you're gonna be constantly changing it. But for the price, it is pretty good. It retails currently, I think it's about $40 on Amazon, but it often goes on sale down to like $35 or $30. On the light itself, very simple. USB-C on one side to charge it, and then on the back, it's very simple. There's a single dial. You hold it down to turn it on, and now it's on, and you can adjust in increments of a single degree, which is a big thing. Sometimes some lights go in steps of 5 or 10, so you don't get that fine adjustment you need to dial it in exactly to what you need. And then you press the button and it pops down to your Kelvin slider, and you can change that warmth all the way down to a very warm light like that. And you can crank it all the way to a very cool light like that. So just sort of depends on what situation you want it at, but it's a very bright light. Another nice feature is it comes with this full diffuser on here. Super stretchy. You just kind of put it on, and then it's on here like this. And that will add a bit of diffusion to your light. You will have to crank it a little bit brighter. Once you're diffusing light, you're gonna be losing some of it. Some of that light isn't gonna escape through this silicone sock thing on there. Instead of being 36 individual LED lights shining on you, it's now one large light that's gonna be shining on you. That creates a more natural light, like this. So you just press it on the wall, pull the suction cup lever, and it's very secure. I wouldn't mind hanging headphones on there. It just stays in place really well. So if I was streaming or doing video conference here and I wanted a light from this wall, I could just simply attach it there. And no damage to the wall, which is a plus. Next thing I wanted to test is how good it does on the back of a monitor. So this works really well to be a bright little light up there. So if you're doing your Zoom calls or streaming or whatever you're doing at your computer, crank it all the way up, and then you'll have this direct light source right on you, which is an important part of your lighting situation, is not to get this top-down lighting. Here it's kind of rough. Here is kind of a great example of if you only have overhead lighting, it creates all these shadows in your eyes, under your nose. All your facial features have such sharp contrast. But if you have more of a diffused light shining right on your face, like something like this would do, it's just gonna be a lot better. Also with the low quality webcams, adding more light can really bring a better picture. Actually does a pretty good job in this shot, kind of balancing out this light of my face. We might just finish this video having this mounted to the table. So I'll just put it on the table, clip it down. Now I'm kind of balanced. I got two light sources hitting my face at two angles, kind of key light, your accent light. Another spec they do mention is it's got a CRI of 95+. That's sort of the quality of the light output. I don't have any sort of way of testing that quality, but if they claim it, that means it's at least decent enough for video quality lighting. Overall, final thoughts, I'm pretty impressed with this light. I wasn't sure going into it how good it was gonna be. It's mostly made out of plastic, and this suction cup I thought might be a little bit gimmicky, and there aren't a ton of LEDs on here, so I didn't know how well it was gonna really output a bunch of light. But this silicone diffuser does a great job diffusing the light onto you, and it's actually really bright. Another big thing I love about this one is it's got a built-in battery. Using external batteries or using double or AAA batteries, it's just another thing I gotta take the batteries out, go and charge them. For something as small as a light like this, I like to be able to plug it directly into the wall, charge it up. Or if there's the situation where I was gonna be streaming for a long amount of time, maybe that's a situation you need it for, you can just plug it directly in, USB-C, run a cable, and you've got infinite wall power then. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this review. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, or just leave a comment saying hello. I'd like to hear from people who enjoy my videos. But anyway, I hope you guys have an amazing day out there. Go film some amazing video, go take great pictures, and I'll see you in the next one. Go Toaster out.